pleasure to welcome you to New York's Guardia Airport. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and carrying items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain's turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid entry from items that may have shifted during flight. In the next few hours, you may receive an email survey from Delta. We welcome and value your feedback and use your responses to continually improve your travel experience. We invite you to download and use the Fly Delta app for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your SkyMiles account. As you deploy, please remember to take a look around your seat. Make sure you have everything you brought on board, especially your electronic devices, cell phones, any other items that you may have placed in your seat pocket. We do realize your time is important. We're going to be about 24 minutes early. Again, please remain seated with your belongings stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. 24 minutes early. Thank you. Have a great day.